Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about Binance, one of the most popular and influential cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Founded in 2017 by Brian Armstrong and Joseph Lubin, Binance has grown exponentially since its launch, making it a significant player in the ever-growing cryptocurrency industry. Binance has a very user-friendly interface and offers a wide range of trading instruments, including cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin BTC, Ethereum ETH, Binance Coin BNB, and many others. It also has a trading platform for traditional assets, such as stocks, indices, and commodities. One of the key features of Binance is its trading fees. Binance is known for its low fees, especially when compared to larger exchanges like Coinbase. For instance, the fees for trading on Binance are very competitive when compared to other cryptocurrency exchanges. Moreover, the platform also offers a wide variety of trading opportunities, allowing users to make profitable trades across various markets. Binance also has a strong team of support staff available to assist users in any language, making it a popular choice for users from all around the world. Additionally, the platform has a high level of security, ensuring that users' funds are always safe and secure. In conclusion, Binance is an excellent choice for anyone looking to trade cryptocurrencies or traditional assets. With its user-friendly interface, competitive fees, and strong support team, it has become a go-to platform for many cryptocurrency enthusiasts and investors.